Okay.
No, I did it.
You can eat as much as you want, my love.
Thank you. Tastes so nice.
I want the soup.
It's not soup, Mama.
There.
Just only soup.
Only soup for her. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
A teddy bear.
Alright, go to the dining and sit.
Okay.
So this is blended tomatoes and bell peppers. Right, baby?
Yes. Blended, yeah. I first of all roasted them.
Roasted blended tomatoes and bell peppers. Thank you, my darling. Smells really nice. You enjoying it?
Yes.
I know. Oh, looking nice. You guys, my husband is the best cook ever. Best chef. Look at that. I usually would roast this, fry it, or do something else to it, but this is a very different method, entirely different from how I cook.
So in here we have
Shake pomo.
shaki, pomo, cow leg, and turkey as well.
This is assorted.
Smoked turkey.
Assorted. You have smoked turkey?
Yeah.
Oh, where did you get that
Yeah.
from? The freezer. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. It's been a long time I ate that. This is looking nice, baby. I'm going to enjoy it. We'll use this soup
Yeah, we're gonna use that soup.
to make something delicious tomorrow.
No, we use the soup for the rice.
Oh.
Have you forgotten? I'm making jollof rice.
Mm?
You don't
Is
even
it
know
jollof?
you don't even know what I'm making.
Uchemeka is laughing. We don't know what that is cooking.
I'm cooking concussion.
We don't know what that is making, but whatever. We know it's going to taste really delicious. This jollof is rich jollof. Have you ever seen a rich jollof rice like this before? No. This is the first, most rich, delicious jollof rice you will ever see. Boo?
Yes, love.
It looks nice. Nice.
So now time to add
Wow.
our boiled rice.
Nice. All in the pot. Baby, I can't wait to eat this. How many cups is this? It looks big.
6.
How many people are you cooking for?
6.
6 cups. Oh, that's not that much. But I usually make 4 or
I'm
5.
cooking for all of us.
Yeah, I usually cook 4 or 5 cups, but my husband has topped it with 2 more cups. That's nice. Can I win me before? Oh.
They have gotten my own list.
I'm leaving you, baby. She had nonka. I'm looking nice. Oh, baby, jollof. Oh. This is the leftover from what I made yesterday. Yam pepper soup with catfish. So is our pot not going to burn? Because I feel like you're turning too much.
No, it's not gonna burn. Don't worry.
I'm not. I wanted to taste, but
Right now.
let's top it up with
Yeah.
that.
Add the stock.
Is it not too much?
It's not.
Are you sure the rice is not gonna be too? Oh,
Don't worry, my love.
oh! My husband is cooking it, but I cannot wait to see the end result. But
So I'm gonna cook it with low heat.
no, it's actually not that much.
Yeah.
Should have used the other rubber plastic spoon or rubber.
It's okay.
You shake it like a little bit like me. Shake the pot like this.
Okay. I'll just learn from the experts.
You're a good cook yourself. That's good.
I have to listen to my missus.
Everything is flat. Now you're turning it again. What's the point of doing that? Because I felt like you finished turning it, then you can do that. Oh, nice. To smoothen it and make everything be on the same.
It's like I'm dancing.
Good.
Right.
Have you put on
I
your?
didn't even. Yeah.
You didn't even do what?
I didn't even test it. Right.
You guys can see my husband has testing spoon and this one, unlike me. I'd use this one and just do like this on my tongue. How is it, darling? Let me test for you.
That's for me, my love.
What am I here for?
Need to add
I'm not gonna tell you what to add or what not to add, but I think salt is needed.
Yeah. Well, you told me.
Yeah.
And add some Maggi cube.
I usually add that before I add all these things. But this is your method.
Well.
Did you not add any before?
I added only one
Okay.
before.
Do you know that this is why rice gets soggy? Should have added all the stuff into the meat, put it here so that by the time you're done cooking, the rice is just not soggy. The English is gone from my mouth. Yeah. How is it? You need to let that cook a little bit
I
before.
love test. And I cannot shake.
Nice.
Always listen to your wife.
Especially in the kitchen. Especially in here. This is my office. Moment of truth. What it looks. Ooh. You still got all the meat.
No, it's okay.
It's right inside.
It's right inside.
Daddy chef.
Maybe I'll make something really cool.
Oh, baby, it's good now. I don't think you need to cook it more.
No.
Wow. My husband be a sheep. What are you looking for, Mona Jameson?
Don't worry, I'll show you. It's something really good.
What's that? Let me see. Oh, you got the chef hat. Ah.
Thank you.
So you forgot your.
This one is coming late. Thank you.
Where's yours, Mona?
Oh yeah, okay. Let's chill out on the way outside. Here.
Is that yours?
Yes, it's mine.
And Chemeka's one is there, but he's not cooking at mommy.
It's.
You have to stand there. When I'm the
That's-
chef,
Mona, the chef, and Daddy chef.
I want to play hat. My chef hat.
What are you people making today, Chef Mona?
Fries.
Jollof rice. Yummy daddy and daughter jollof rice.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yes.